Alright Tyler, I'm going to turn on the ignition. Now all I need to do is have the keys with me, put them in the cup holders, and you just turn this like so, and it turns on. We'll leave this up here. Alright. I'm gonna pop the hood open for you. I've got the engine going for you. There's your 2.4 liter MIVEC engine. You got the air intake higher than most vehicles, which is really good for your engine efficiency there. So there's no mud or dirt going into the air intake there. That's why it's higher up. All your fluids are here on the left. Batteries on the right. Fuse box as well. And that's your engine running right there. And you can see the LED fog lamps on. Really nice look. Alright man, I think that's enough for now. If you do have any further questions, please let me know and I will definitely get back to you ASAP. Bye for now.